Even when I read my book, I'm astonished at how many things I have forgotten because I actually wrote it. But some things I just rediscover myself when I'm reading through it again. The Story of Japanese Tea was published now exactly 4 years ago in November 2019, and it's been a great selling book amongst tea lovers throughout the world. So I'm really happy to look at it again myself and to dedicate a video to celebrating the 4 years anniversary of the publication of the Story of Japanese Tea. I didn't just decide to write a book about Japanese tea because I wanted to write a book. I was passionate about Japanese teas for many years already before 2019 and had collected a lot of information and data and had interacted with a lot of tea producers throughout Japan that I find wonderful people and that are also at the same time the people that I offer their teas from at the Tea Crane. The information in this book is mostly based on the interactions that I had with these people, based on the information that I gathered throughout multiple interactions with tea producers throughout the country. And because I personally and the Tea Crane focuses mostly on teas that are in line with the flow of nature, that are organically produced or at least pesticide free, the information presented in this book as well is more tilted towards natural tea growing practices, authentic tea farming processes, and instead of just providing you with the raw data and the raw information about how tea is produced and what the difference is between sencha or gyokuro, I decided to really bring the people that I met and that provided me with this information to life in this book. And that is why I decided to include case studies from the people who grow and manufacture tea in such an amazing way that by including them in this book, they're not just brought to life when you take this book in your hands, but they're also going to be here forever, and their stories and their information and their knowledge will be preserved. So that is really how I got to writing this book. It's all the information that I had that I compiled into one resource of information. And still, I look through it quite frequently as well to just look up something, or if I want to be sure about how many degrees Celsius the heat was in one stage of the production process of sencha, then I might just look in my own book and see, it's 95 degrees. It's such a great resource that you can read either from front to back, or you can look at it piece by piece and just look for the information that you want to know at that time. So if you haven't gotten my book yet, then get it from Amazon now. It's available on Amazon, and there's a hardcover, there's a soft cover, and there's also the Kindle version. So you can choose whichever format you like, and I am certain that this resource is invaluable for your tea book shelf. The Story of Japanese Tea by Tia Sosen. I hope you read it. Buy it now from Amazon. Create your silence.